Yeah. You know the vibes. Big X is chilling, and you are watching. Hey, I look like I just got paid. Welcome to another episode of Stena Silapa namhlanje, whereby abanye fuck with Stena ebusweni. Hey. Kuzabanzima. It's gonna be very hectic. Today we have something juicy as always, not just juicy, it's 100% juicy. I mongi mali juicy, not fusion juicy, no, 100% juicy. Let's just go to the break. When we come back, I'm gonna break it down to you bakwenza kandon. Yeah. We are backest. You know the vibes. And I'm Sanjay on this episode of Stena. We have two friends that have known each other way back. The other friend came here to tell the other friend, ba funding man. Indombi yakho ingathi hey andifuni beyam, and the other friend looked the other friend in the face and picked up the brick and is like, without further ado, masimzisa umjida. Mjida, kamziseli.
Yo,
man.
what's happening, man?
You look fly, man.
Yeah,
What's
man,
your name, bro?
shout out. Yo, my name is Kevin, bro.
Given.
Yeah.
So, given, what did you come to tell us today? I welcome you to the Stena show. Like, what did you come to tell us today? What's the story?
Yeah, man, I came here to the show to tell you guys that I have something to confess.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, man, I have something to confess to my old friend.
Yes,
Something deep that I need to tell him.
What is it that you want to tell him?
That shit has been going down.
Shit has been going down. Yeah. What type of shit has been going down?
Like, I can't say much, but I can say when he's here in person.
You don't even wanna tell me. So the viewers need to know. Okay, what is here? So that when he arrives. Yeah.
When he arrives, I would like to tell him that I've been eating his girlfriend.
You've been eating his girlfriend.
Eating his girlfriend. Eating his girlfriend.
Sure.
On my teeth like a vampire, man.
Vampire? So my man, you mean to tell me that you've known this guy for a long time, and now he's found a girlfriend, and when you've been hammering it?
Yes.
Hamba naye
straight. Vela ngigayija.
Ngolayini.
Yeah.
So Njayami, what attracted you to your homie's girl?
Hey man, I can say the energy, man, and the sex.
The energy and
man.
She's lit in bed.
She's lit in bed. I don't wanna lie. She's lit.
Yes. You know. Sex is one of the main contributors to someone sticking with someone. So, do you want it to be your girlfriend, or you're just somewhere confused, or you don't know what's going
on? But if it leads there, that means ngizomshaya Stena.
Huh?
Yeah.
But there's some feelings that are.
There are some feelings nyana, mara ngisase confused yabo.
Alright.
Mara kuzobonakala.
So if it leads to you, let's say the girl dumps the guy, will you still continue dating the girl?
Yeah.
Your homie's girl, bro.
Hey, I'll tell him. Yabonake leyo it too deep leyo. Mara leyo sesoyikhuluma kahle masafikile la homeboy yabo. Kuthi ufila kanjani?
Ngiyakuva. Screw. Without further ado, I am Kusoba busy. Stena, when we come back, we're gonna bring you Twang Stena. Don't go anywhere. Big X is chilling, and you know the vibes. Yo, we are back. And today, man, guys, I'm tired of speaking Xhosa, man, because I can feel the energy, you know. It's that screw level, you know what I'm saying? It's that screw level. That's what I want to touch on. I hope you guys will understand, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we are back. We're going to bring his friend. His friend is telling his friend that, hi, man, I'm fit. Fuck is Stena when really comes this. Cover the drip, boys. Why should I speak closer when the drip is like this? You know what I'm saying, man. What's up, man? You good, man?
I'm all good, dog.
Yo, dog. You gents are just dripping, man. It's taco, gumanzi, pansy, James. Yo, what's your name, bro?
I'm Panda.
Panda.
Yeah.
Damn. So you guys have been.
Yeah, since childhood, primary.
Yeah.
My mothers were in school together.
Shit, that's deep, eh? That's deep.
Yeah.
So, you might be wondering why you're here, bro. I know, like, one of my people reached out to you and told you, I just want to interview you on your swag and what. But the real story is, we don't really want to ask you about your fashion or anything. He's got the real story to tell you about what's really going on. You understand? So, can you please break it down to him, bro?
Yo, my boy.
Yeah, dog.
What's happening?
All good, dog.
Yeah. Hey, man, you remember that chick of yours, man?
Which one?
Your main
Saying
chick.
which
bro.
one? Continue.
Your main chick, bro.
Oh, my main.
Yes.
What's wrong with my main?
Yo, shit has been going down, bro.
Shit like what, dog?
Hey, man, I don't want you to be mad, but she's been sexually active.
He's laughing, damn! I didn't expect that reaction, bro. Like, he's laughing.
So what you're actually telling me is you've been smashing my girl, actually.
Yeah.
That's what you're saying.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So you've been eating my leftovers, actually.
Hey, man, I wouldn't say your leftovers,
Oh.
but yeah, it was yours. Yeah.
But dog, I wanna understand the fact now. The first fact is that girl number one is not even my main. You understand?
Yeah?
Because you know that I don't go for that shit, actually, dog. So like, actually, you're actually eating one of my side pieces, and you fooled yourself, telling yourself that you're fucking my main girl. You
But
understand?
how is it your side if you always would have?
Nah, she's always coming to me, dog. What should I do if she always comes to my dick, dog?
God damn, nigga.
So you mean to tell me, bruh, it's not that deep?
For me, I don't even care about that girl, dog. I won't even lie, dog. But dog,
But-
what's fucked up for me is why did he wait for me to come here so you can tell me this shit, dog? You understand? The thing is, though, me and you come way back, so I expect you to respect me in a way that you're gonna tell me, as a man, I'm eating what you're eating.
Nigga.
And you're actually eating my leftovers, dog. You understand?
Hey,
Yeah,
this is a
yeah.
different level.
Because-
So you're not even mad. You're like, bro, it's whatever.
You can continue, dog. You can continue.
I want you, listen, Jam, I want you to say this thing when she's here, because Usisisa is gonna come here now. So the brother here came here scared. The tataze like it's like it's whatever. Are you serious, brother?
I'm damn serious, dog.
Damn. Hey, Betuna, this is a different level. You know, it's a different level. You know what I'm saying? Man? Yeah.
What's the
We're
rest?
gonna Jam.
Oh, yeah,
You were tatazeling. You were scared.
Straight.
But now he's telling you, it's whatever.
It's what I have. So my vein, I'm very high, it's what I have.
Hey, Babukeli, we are going to a break. When we come back, we're gonna bring Usisiza. Woo! It's a different level, man.
Don't want them all.
You don't want them all.
Yes.
You're
I'm
tired.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yo.
Betuna, this is where in confusion nam kwakhona because ngoku ndiyasibona esi Stena siqale sabetha pha. But now apho sibethe khona utomjita man it's andiva lento niyenzayo man, try again, you understand? So now hey kuthanda uba nzima. One more question Jayam. What would you like to happen to their relationship? Do you think they should continue what they are doing or what?
Yeah, mina ngajabula ukuthi baqhubeke yabo balungisa izinto.
Oh, ufuna balungisa izinto after you've done what you've done.
Yeah, it was just one night stand without him.
Wow.
So Jayam,
It was something personal. And if unayo shilo untanga wathi yabo he will do the same to me, so it's just gonna be a cycle.
I want to understand something. So usually when I found her by you, when she will be acting as if she's waiting for me,
Yeah.
you will smash her. Then when I get there, she will tell me she's tired until you fucked her actually.
Yo.
Ish, man, that's too personal, dog. I can't tell you that, but yeah.
Yeah.
Ish, yeah.
I'm very
That's how
confused.
it happened.
Sisi, you say you don't want both of them now, ne?
Yeah.
Like you're done with them.
Yeah.
Any last words for him? What would you like him to change or do? What like, do you have any last words?
No, I don't have, because what explain our to continue to chow his girlfriend. He will follow his girlfriend at the back. So I can't continue with him
can't
like
continue.
this.
And good luck on that.
So when
Thank you, my
we are
guy.
cheater, mara ufuna ukucheated.
It was a mistake.
He can't make a mistake too.
I don't think this one is gonna be a mistake, because he's saying he's
But
gonna
you've been doing it over and over. A mistake is something that happens one time and then it never happens again. Kaluchonga, if he took off your clothes while while keep, and then pina when while buisela, and you call it a mistake. Anjayam suhleka Anjayam. Like this is serious issues, bruh. Like it's not a mistake when it's like that.
I know, Jaya.
It's not a mistake. So you are saying like he can do whatever he wants to do. So let me just ask you personally about him. Would you like to see any future between the two of you?
Yeah.
To me it seems like you're very confused, my sister. So you wanna continue dating him?
Like no.
I'm very positive. Laba babini basezonyobana. These two are still gonna nyoba each other. Ebafundini we've been
Ngasho something.
Yeah.
I would love that to continue, yabo. Mara uyazi ukuthi I have a main girlfriend. So angazi ukuthi how yena uzofila kanjani about the situation.
You're still talking about your main girl though.
Yes.
I need to show you something right now though.
Yeah, show me.
Let me show you something right now though. You wanna see something? Let me show you Mfananga. You think you know who I
Nisixelele
am?
madoda nithetha ngantoni? Ebabukeli.
Dog.
I've never experienced this real life events.
So I get it. You telling me that you've been showering and all. I get it. Let me also come clean with everything, dog.
Okay.
Give me a second, go real quick, dog.
Okay.
Let me show you something. Let me also surprise you myself, dog.
Mama Simlinde.
Is that your what?
Okay. Before you show it. Let's just take a quick ad break. We're gonna be back. Betuna, I want you guys to see what he's showing. It seems like it's Stena as a suki direction is one. Screw. They are coming from different directions. We are coming back. Big X is chilling, and you know the vibes. Yo, esibuyile andifuna ube ndithetha kakhulu. Before we left, brother man said he wanted us to show us something, and then he wanted to show this brother right here something. Ambonise nje.
Dog, who's this on this profile, dog?
That's my girl.
That's your girl, ne? Wait. What's this message written, dog? You can see.
Can't read the message. Let me read.
I love. Yeah.
I love you, and only you believe that.
Yeah?
And you know what's crazy? He didn't even open the message.
You just left it.
He just left it to prove Uhuri, the person that you're taking so highly to him is just one of those things. This is your girlfriend, bruh.
Yo.
You want me to show you something more interesting, dog?
No.
Look at the same girl who saying she loves you. Look at what she's telling me all night, dog.
Wow.
My heart misses you more, shit like that. But
How can you do that to me, bro?
How?
You are crying now, but you were doing the same thing.
Man, like I can't believe you're really doing this to me.
How? You were doing the same thing to me. So why are you being emotional out of the blue?
So Jayam, how long have you been chowing his girl?
It's a year now, dog.
Yo!
With all honesty, it's a year now, dog.
I'ma fuck you up right now.
Remember that day? Remember that day we went for the carnival, dog? Remember when you disappeared, when you passed out? When you passed out, dog, man? Remember when you were looking for her and I was also not there at 1+1, dog? What happened?
Now it could be. I cannot do anything further. Sister, you are caught up in a mess here. Wow. If I was you, I would run. I would leave because this is a new diadem. These things that are happening here, it's just games for them. They don't care about anything. They are playing games. You can't be shocked when you're doing the same thing to him. So these are just games for them. I have no words. I have no words. Why? But yeah, I'm gonna Big X is chilling and you are watching. It's Stena. We're out.